Hello, I'm Stefania Capitano, chiropractor working in Torino and in Alba with my husband and our daughter. And we are going to have a fantastic weekend in Bavaria in April from the 26th to the 28th. And I'm here to tell you that it's going to be 8 sessions of NSA. So it's going to be a concentrate program, weekend, with lots of changes in your body, in your connection, in your also letting go lots of blocks, lots of things that you don't really appreciate to experience and to have, but it's going to be also going in things that are anchored in your body and are still in your body, are creating disease and dysfunctions. So it's going to be a big change for mentally, spiritually, and emotionally. And it's going to be physically something that is going to be sustainable. So the changes, the transformations are sustainable. And we have also a lot of fun while doing it. So if you want to pay before January 26, it's the early bird amount, and you can contact directly my husband, Dr. Christian Hubschmidt, and I will put the link underneath. Bye, see you soon.